Hey folks, good afternoon. Mark from Plumbing Mart here. How are you doing today? It is Saturday, January 2025. We're doing another family fun day. This is cool. So we're downtown Toronto at 486 Front Street at an exhibit called Arcadia Earth. It's an interactive digital artistic display of all things that have to do with wildlife, our planet, conservation, and responsible behaviors and decisions that we can make to better respect and preserve our planet. This place is incredibly cool. This is the beginning here. It's just amazing. You start with these portals, but this is all digital assisted on your phone. So every room you go in, they got a tag that you scan, and everything comes up on your phone in three-dimensional, like fish swimming through your phone, and it's amazing what they've done here. And they've got all kinds of other interactive displays. I'd highly recommend this for a great thing to come out and do with the family. I think tickets start about $20 or go up about $40, depending on age and things like that. But it's absolutely remarkable. I think you and the family would have great fun doing this. It's great for the kids. They're going to learn a bunch. I'm just showing you a few things here. This is the aquarium part here behind me. Really, really well done. Takes about an hour to go through. It went very fast. Actually, I was shocked that we'd spend an hour here. It's wonderful. So this is Arcadia Earth down at 486 Front Street. You can buy your tickets online. Mark from Plumbing Mart gives it a high recommendation. If you're not out doing renovations, you should be out saving the planet. I think it's a great thing to do. But when you need a renovation, give us a call at Plumbing Mart. Kitchens, bathrooms, basements, home renovations, saving the planet. One reno at a time. Bye for now.